everyone, my name is Sabrina. Welcome to my channel. So I just got back in the house and I thought I would come here and do a quick video. Or maybe not that quick, but anyway, a video because I've been out all day and as soon as I got in, this is what I found. My Knitcrate box. So I thought we would open it up together. For those of you who don't know what Knitcrate is, it is a membership box. There are 3 different membership boxes. There's the regular Knitcrate, which is the one I'm getting. There's also a sock crate where you will get some very fine yarn to make some socks. And I believe there's like a Malabrigo box which has some higher, more expensive yarn and better quality and things. So it is super exciting. This is my regular membership box. I'm so happy, so happy. And I know that nowadays you can choose what colorway you want. But personally, I like the surprise. Even if I have to react this way, oh, this color really? Or, yay! I do like the surprise because if I always asked for the same kind of colors, I guess it would start to become boring. And I really enjoy variety. So that is why I like to have the surprise. Look at this. Really, really good. So the box is still sealed. So what I'm going to do now is go and grab some scissors and I will open it up in front of you. And then we can find out what's inside. So I will be right back. Okay, so I am ready now to open up the fantastic Knitcrate box. I've got my scissors and let's without further ado break this seal. There we are. I've done it. Okay, so I have not opened it, of course. Here we are. And I am super excited to find out what's inside. So I'm going to let you take a quick peek before myself. If I remember correctly, the December theme is greenery or something like that. So let's find out. My least favorite color is green. So of course it's going to have to be green, isn't it? Let's find out. Oh, I'm not sure what color that is. What color is that? Let's find out, shall we? I don't think it's green, is it? Is it green? Is it not green? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's green. But it's nice. I mean, it's green, but it's an interesting texture. And of course, it has to be green, hasn't it? It's greenery. Okay. So the yarn is called Vidalana Lofty and it is DK. The colorway is mistletoe. I really like the sound of that. Colorway mistletoe makes you want to sing the song. You know which one I'm talking about? And it is 48% merino wool, 20% baby alpaca, and 32% organic cotton. It really feels really soft, really, really nice. So I will show you the band. It's Vidalana and Lofty DK. There we are. Amazing! And here is the colorway. This is beautiful color. I mean, I must admit, even for green, it is really nice. And the texture of it, it's like someone did a chain again. I really like that kind of yarn. It's really an interesting a texture, and it's so soft. I've got two of those. Here we are. I don't know if you can just see just how the color is on camera, but oh, look at that. Really nice. All these different colors together. It's really good. This is not bad at all, is it? Let's put the two together. There we are. I mean, even for green, now I'm rather impressed. It does remind me of the forest and things like that, you know, different kind of leaves and different kind of trees and things. And oh, it is so soft. It is so nice. I am very, very impressed. So, okay, I think we should take a look at the book now. So I've got the booklet in front of me now, and the December theme. I like the front page. It's really nice. Look at that. There we are. This is December. And how nice is this? Looks like fun. Yes, it does. And so, of course, this month's theme is greenery. There we are. And there were other colors as well. Let's see if we can see. Oh, there was the Energize Me, which I don't know what color that is exactly, but it's beautiful. And there's All Natural, which is called Firewood. That really looks like firewood. And I will show you the colors. And of course, Mistletoe. Look at the colors. There's this one called Mittens. Then there's this one, which is called Firewood. And of course, this one, which is called Mistletoe. There we are. Membership yarns. Very nice colors. I think I would have liked the firewood. Yeah. Oh well, not to worry. I've got mistletoe. So let's see. Oh, the sock yarns are beautiful. I will show you the sock yarn for those who get the sock, but the sock crate. Look at these colors. I really like that one. Beautiful or what? This is like a green garland. I don't know if you can just see how green it is, but honestly, this is a beautiful Christmas green. Beautiful. So, okay, the patterns are, we've got a crochet scarf, and there's a knitting leg warmers. So I will show you that. The scarf is the one that's on the front page. And it's crochet. And the leg warmers is a knitting pattern, and I quite like it. That looks nice. Oh, I do like it. I don't really do leg warmers, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to do it, but we'll see. And what else can I show you? Oh, that's it. Next month's theme is called citrine. So it's all to do with citrus, and so lemons, oranges, limes, and you know, fruits that are in that family. It's all to do with citrus, citrine. So I will show you the theme peak of January. Look at those. Very nice colors, no? Citrine. I am very excited about this one because I do like citrus colors. They make me feel more vibrant, full of energy, more alive, more inspired. So I'm quite excited about the month of January and see what we get. And our little extra this month is a little pin that you can put on your shirt, on your coat, on your bag, on anything you like. And it's basically the Knitcrate logo. There we are. That's pretty neat. You could also wear it and someone could think, oh, wow, this is another Knitcrate person. You know, it could be a little conversation starter. Could be pretty neat, right? So I think I will wear mine with pride. I will wear it. I don't think a lot of people where I am do Knitcrate, but I will still, oh, I just dropped it. I will still be very happy to wear it right here and possibly on my coat. So, yes, I am super happy about this month's Knitcrate. So I am done with this now. I have shown you my wonderful yarn. I've shown you the booklet and my extra little pin that I can put here. And so I will stop my video. I will put the website in the description box below for those who want to check out Knitcrate memberships. And I want to thank you all for watching this video. Please click the like button and feel free to post any comment that you wish to. And thank you again for watching. Until the next time, happy knitting and crochet, everyone.